What's up everybody, Andrew here with the Medellin Buzz. We have another video for you with a local that has a restaurant over here. How are you, Julian?
Fine, how are you?
I'm doing great, thank you. His restaurant is right behind us. It's called Tero. We're gonna taste some of his world famous ribs, some of the craft beer, and some of the other stuff he's got. We're gonna talk business and life in Medellin. Are you ready?
Yeah, ready.
All right,
Welcome.
let's go. All right, Julian, tell us, where are you from and how long have you been in Medellin?
I'm from Colombia. I'm from Bogota. I live here for 3 years, almost 4 years now in
Wow.
Medellin.
And what inspired Tero?
Well, I've been cooking for 15 years, more or less, and I decided to stay here in Medellin. And I like to cook meats, like smoked meats and charcuterie. And then I decided to open Tero. I used to work 3 years in the streets, like in a food truck. I decided to open a place
How long ago did you open Tero?
3 months ago.
Tell us, where are we located here?
We are in Patio Bonito, in El Poblado, close to Parque del Poblado. It's an area that is not that busy than Provenza and Parquelleras. It's more chill out, so I really like it here.
And how would you describe the vibe here? Because you definitely have a unique vibe here.
It's really chill out. It's not a fancy restaurant or something like that. It's more that you can come here and have a sandwich, have nice ribs in a really calm down place. Also you can listen good music like vinyls. We also love music, and yeah, I will describe that vibe of Tero.
All right, let's check out some of the food.
Yeah, perfect.
All right, let's go.
Come.
Oh, by the way, guys, we've got brand new shirts. These are limited edition shirts. Every month we're gonna be changing it with a local artist doing the design. Right now you can get one by commenting t-shirt in the comments below. I'll send you the link and you can buy one. The proceeds of the shirt sales are gonna go to Help Colombia, which is a charity that we started where we help teach English in very low income neighborhoods here in Medellin. Let's go check out this food. There's a rumor that these are some of the best ribs in the city. How would you describe the ribs here?
I've been developing like a smoker. This is my third smoker, and it works with just wood and coal. Coal, yeah. So it's not gas and it's not electricity involved. It's just pure smoke. So I think it's that the secret is just pure smoke and low and slow.
So you built this smoker?
Yeah.
Can we go see it?
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, let's
Come.
go. You go. I'll go behind you.
Welcome to the kitchen.
Oh, man.
Here is Danny, the chef.
Okay, hi Danny. Hi. Yes, here's the smoker.
Yeah, so here is the smoker. It was really difficult to bring it. As I said before, I used to have it in a trailer. So to put it here, it was really difficult because this thing is really, it's really heavy. It's like 800 kilograms.
800 kilos.
It's almost like a ton.
Yeah, almost a ton.
Almost a ton.
It's like a car.
Yeah, almost.
This is amazing.
Yeah, so we prepare all the meats here, and it works only with coal and with some wood, and that's it. That's the secret.
First of all, can we put in an order for ribs? We want to taste the ribs.
Yeah, definitely,
Okay.
definitely. Dani, ellos quieren una porción de costillas, por favor.
Okay. And apart from the ribs, what else do you have here?
For example, we have here like some of the meats that we prepare. This is punta de anca, and this is cured like 8 days with some spices, and then it's smoked. This is chicharrón. We put some salt on the skin, dehydrated, and then we smoke it.
Okay.
This is not cured. This is just the skin and then smoked. This is a ham, which is called selva negra, but this is more like a mussel. Is it cured and then smoked?
Oh, okay.
And then it's cooked in vacuum seal.
Okay. Apart from the ribs and the stuff that you can order for delivery at home, what else do you recommend to order here?
Well, so our specialty is sandwiches. So we have a veggie one, which is from Orellanas, it's like a mushroom with some chimichurri. The chimichurri has like smoked peppers, so it has a nice taste. We have also the chicharrón and punta de anca sandwich. We also like beer, craft beer.
Oh, wow, okay.
Yeah, so this is local beer.
Okay.
We also have a famous slushie.
Uh-huh.
So this is a slushie from mezcal.
A mezcal slushie?
Mezcal, yeah.
Okay, I want one of those for sure.
Yeah, do you want it now?
I would love to try a mezcal
Yeah, perfect,
slushie.
perfect. We can do
Yes.
it. This is made in Colombia. And this is quite an amazing cheese. It is Gouda type. And this cheese particularly won a prize in 2023, like the second best Gouda in the world. So this is made in Guatavita.
This is heavy.
Yeah, this is really heavy. This is with a green pepper from the Putumayo.
Very excited about this. Oh my gosh, look at Danny. Wow.
It looks really good.
All right, so the first thing that I want to taste is this because I have not had a mezcal slushie ever in my life.
Okay,
So,
perfect. Give it a try. This is with fresh limes.
oh my gosh. Oh man, I could drink a whole bucket of this. Okay, now let's try the star of the show. So I'm just gonna dig in here with my hands. I'll put this over here. Oh my God, look at this, guys. Holy shit. Damn. Oh my God. Oh, you could taste the smokiness. I mean, it's 4th of July, guys. Today is 4th of July. What better way to celebrate than with smoked ribs on the 4th of July? Oh my God, you have to try this. How much are these?
This is 39.
That's too cheap.
Yeah.
It's too cheap.
Well, because we are starting, my philosophy of the restaurant is always to have like nice prices, but good quality food. So it's for everybody.
It just comes off the meat. Look at this. That is so good. Okay, so now let's try. Which beer is this?
This is the American Pale Ale.
Okay, let's try that. Oh, that's smooth. That is very
Really
smooth.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, it's been a very long time since I've had coleslaw, and I don't even remember the last time I had coleslaw in Colombia. So let's try this. That's literally how I remember coleslaw. Oh my gosh. That's very good. The fries are good. This little aioli sauce is really good too. And this beer is which one?
This is a Session IPA.
Session IPA.
Yeah, really refreshing as well. It's not like the normal IPAs that are really hoppy.
Yeah.
This is more
I
refreshing.
love IPA. It's like my favorite.
Yeah,
This is
okay.
very smooth. I can taste the hops. Dad, you got to try your sandwich here.
This is with the mushrooms. This is also with some eggplant and some chimichurri, some smoked chimichurri.
What do you think? It's good?
Yeah, you can taste all the flavor.
It's smooth, right? Yeah. So you're from Bogota, Julian. Tell us what brought you to Medellin. As a Colombian, how do you feel about foreigners coming here, tourism, and also foreigners that want to live here and maybe buy property and start businesses?
Well, I think it's fine. Like everybody here is welcome. The paisas are so open to people from other countries. Some people just came here like to find prostitutes and drugs, and that's true. Also, another problem is that after the pandemic came a lot of people from other places, like nomads, and the prices get really high. But people understand that the people that came from other countries, they also invest here, they make the economy to move a lot, so I think it's fine.
By the way, guys, if you're looking to relocate to Medellin, we've created the Medellin Masterclass. It's a 6-hour course that will teach you everything that you need to know about moving to Medellin. And more importantly, you get to be a part of our inner circle, which is a WhatsApp group. We meet up frequently, we share ideas. Some of us are entrepreneurs, some of us are buying property out here, some of us are getting married out here, having kids, etc. So if you're interested in relocating, check out the link in the description to the Medellin Masterclass webinar. It's a free webinar, it's an hour long, teach you everything about the masterclass, everything you need to know about moving here, and you get a special discount if you watch the webinar, so go check it out. Now back to the interview. One of the questions that I get the most on the channel is, how safe do you feel in Medellin?
Well, Medellin is a safe city. If you came here to find prostitution, drugs, or some weird things, then it will be dangerous.
So as somebody that's not from Medellin, and now you're living here and doing business, even though you're a Colombian, I think you could give someone advice. If someone is coming from another country or another city, what would be your advice to them?
Well, first, know the city, know the environment, know the prices, know your product, know the other business, what they sell, so you don't sell the same. Yeah, that will be my advice.
Okay, excellent. All right, guys, so if you're in Medellin, make sure to check out Tero and say what's up to Julian and Danny. Have some of the ribs, have a sandwich, try the charcuterie, which we're gonna try right after. The link to the Google Maps is in the description below. Click on it, check it out. Julian, you've been an amazing guest. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
This is amazing. I mean, the food was worth it alone. I mean, but the video is awesome. Thank you for being a great guest. We'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao. Okay, that was perfect. Doesn't get better than this. Happy 4th of July, guys. ¿Cuál es el secreto de las costillas, Dani?
La dedicación que uno le pone, la entrega, el amor, el toquecito de la receta.